Ben with Elite Auto Solutions, and today I'm here to talk to you about paint protection film. This product is made to go on the paint surface of your vehicle. It can be applied to just about any surface on your vehicle and protect it from things like rock chips, bugs, minor scratches, and even dings. The film that we use and that we're going to show you today is a Max Pro film. It's their Max Armor product. Has a 10-year warranty. It's a 6 mil thick film, and you can install it in all the various kind of traditional ways you've seen, like where you can do like a half a hood, 18-inch coverage, or today our favorite thing to do is to do full front end coverage, and it eliminates any lines that you would see in the film over time. So another thing to note is that when we do these installs, we're going to do this hood in one piece, and we're going to roll our corners, and that's going to eliminate edges. Things like bumpers and other pieces of the car are actually computer cut, and so that way we're keeping blades off of your brand new paint, which is a giant plus. So this is the product against Max Pro Max Armor. It's a 10-year warranty film, which is strong. There's a couple companies out there doing it, but Max Pro definitely in our opinion is one of the best products doing it. So quick introduction to the product, and then let's show you how it goes on and what it looks like when it's finished. So we're back here. We've got this hood mostly installed. We've gone ahead and laid the top on here, squeegeed it all out. We don't want to cut on your car. So right here, we've cut away, we've left an overhang, and we're gonna let this sit for a couple hours while we go work on a bumper. And then we're gonna come back and roll these edges over. It's gonna give you a nice, tight, edgeless look on the film. And really, the goal here is to make this look invisible and not let anyone know you have a film on your car and just have them wondering why your car always looks so good. Another side note of this product is it does have a really strong hydrophobic property to it. And that means when it does get water and dirty, it's gonna come off very easily. So a lot of people find themselves wanting to do a whole car, which we can do for you if that's something you wanna do.